Hello and welcome to this digital learning that gives an overview of the Fire Connect application as a part of Fire Apps and Building X offering. It covers the user interface, site functionalities such as live events, history, test plans, and push notifications. The app is available for both Android and iOS and can be found in the respective app stores. For demonstration purposes, we will use a tablet version of the application, but the look and feel is similar to the mobile versions, which are the only official released versions. First, log in to the Fire Connect app. You are now on the site's overview page. It allows you to view all the sites within your company. The event summary tiles located at the top provide an aggregated summary of the sites based on their status. Upon selecting a tile, the site list displays the sites associated with the event tile. The filter bar updates with the matching criteria, allowing the user to filter the list by selecting one of the statuses. To view all the sites again, simply click on the selection once more. The sites display their linked addresses and a small symbol indicating their current status. The search bar allows filtering by plain text within the site's name and address. Now, let's select one of the sites. At the bottom of the screen, there are 4 tabs in the app: Events, History, Tests, and Notifications. The Live Events tab displays all current events on the system, each with a timestamp and information about the object or zone. Selecting an event provides additional information, such as the source or state. The list can be filtered based on the event type that occurred at a selected site, and then searched using text search. Clicking on the arrow next to the site opens the map, which is also available in Fire Manager. Other Google functions, such as directions to the site, can be accessed while zooming in and out. Let's move to the next section in the navigation bar, History. This section displays both past and present events in chronological order, with the most recent event appearing first. Each event is accompanied by information such as its state, type, timestamp, and a textual description. Above the list, you can filter events by type and date, and use the search bar to search the filtered list by text. Finally, selecting an event provides additional information such as its source or state. The following section in the navigation bar pertains to tests and test plans. It is important to note that the test plan must first be created in Fire Manager. Once created, we can work with these plans in the Fire Connect app. For more information on how to create a test plan, please refer to the Fire Manager e-learning module. In the overview, we can see all assigned test plans for the site, including a visual representation of their status. If the test is still new, we can see how many detectors are planned for testing. Once the test has begun, the number of detectors that have been tested or failed is displayed next to the total number. Instructions on how to start the test will be provided when you open a newly created test plan. After following the instructions, confirm by selecting Start. The test plan will now track all detector test activations on the system. The top section of the test plan provides an overview of the status, including the total number of detectors and the number that have been tested or failed. The test plan's list of detectors can be filtered and searched using various categories and plain text, similar to other parts of the app. Selecting a detector provides more information about its location and specifications. The first section allows you to indicate whether the test failed, needs to be skipped, or is not applicable, and to leave a corresponding comment. The next option is to confirm a visual check of the device and provide a comment if necessary. After completing the information, remember to save it before returning using the back button in the top left corner. You can leave the test plan and return at any time, but once you stop the test plan, it will be locked for further testing, and a new plan will have to be created. The final tab is the Notification tab. Here, you can select the events for which you wish to receive push notifications. To activate notifications for a specific event, simply slide the toggle to the right. It is important to note that notifications are set up only for the individual user, and each user is responsible for setting their own notification preferences. Please note that notifications must be enabled in the Accounts application, as demonstrated on the screen and enabled on your phone.